fortunate enough to work on an unfortunate bridge replacement. 2013 we had our flood, and at that time this bridge was wiped out by the waters, completely wiped out. The previous bridge was 73 feet long, and we have here a 180-foot steel truss bridge, which is pretty neat because not only did we get the bridge locally sourced, but the Town of Lyons flagstone quarries were also used to get the flagstone for our monuments. And then we also incorporated into the monuments the fish and the fishermen on the other side of the bridge, kind of indicating what's going on in the surrounding area with the creek. We have fish. During construction, they actually did see some trout in the creek, and the beautiful landscape of the flagstone, just the bridge almost accentuates that beauty. We were able to reuse 900 cubic yards of topsoil, 5,000 cubic yards of rock. We were able to save quite a few trees, but at the same time we planted a lot of trees to help with the stream restoration and vegetation in the area. In addition, when we were working on this project, we were slightly overlapping with Parks and Open Spaces St. Vrain Creek project that was just downstream of this location, and we had to both of us had to work together as far as the interface of our projects when it came to the creek restoration itself.